The Eastwood OptiFlow roll-on paint system is a roll-on primer system designed to prep and prime a vehicle without needing an air compressor or spray gun. It is made for DIYers and restorers who want to take a vehicle from rough bodywork to ready for a traditional sprayed color finish, while working one panel at a time. Instead of spraying primer through a gun, OptiFlow uses specifically formulated epoxy and urethane primers that are applied with foam rollers. That makes it a practical option for home garages where spray equipment, compressor capacity, or full shop setup may be limited. The vehicle should be disassembled as needed, old paint should be stripped, or the existing finish should be fully scuffed, and any rust or body damage should be repaired before primer goes on. Surface prep is a major part of the process. The instructions call for solvent wiping with Eastwood pre or acetone, then prep sanding with abrasive paper before applying primer. The final paint will show scratches, dust, and flaws underneath, so the better the prep work, the better the finished result. The OptiFlow epoxy primer mixes with a catalyst from 1:1 ratio. Only mix what you can apply within a 20-minute working window. The primer is rolled on in thin, even coats using light pressure with 30 minutes between coats. The roller is used for larger panels like doors, hoods, roofs, and quarters. And tight areas like edges, door jambs, and inside corners can be coated with Eastwood's 2K aerosol epoxy primer. After the epoxy cures, guide coat is used to find the high and low spots. The surface is then block sanded using a crisscross sanding pattern. Low spots can be filled with polyester filler, but keep in mind that filler should not be applied thicker than 1/8 inch. Once the bodywork is straight, additional coats of our OptiFlow epoxy primer can be applied. The system can also use OptiFlow urethane primer surfacer, mixed 4:1 with the activator, then rolled on in 3 to 4 coats. This is not a quick spray and done process. This is a careful, multi-step roll-on system for building a properly prepped surface before final paint. If you want to prep and prime a project vehicle without a spray gun or compressor, the Eastwood OptiFlow system gives you a structured roll-on process for getting the body ready for finished paint.